Welcome to the complete detailed breakdown of the XAU Institutional EA version 7.0. We will explain every step, function, and decision made by this expert advisor. Our agenda covers 8 key components, starting with the 6-layer brain, followed by time and session filters. We will then examine the VWAP trend filter, RSI and volume delta for signal generation, the smart entry system, risk management with ATR, SL/TP, and trailing stops, and finally, the safe martingale system and live monitoring with Telegram and a dashboard. The robot's brain utilizes 6 security layers. A trade signal only executes if ALL layers confirm green. We start with the time and session filters, moving to the VWAP trend, and then the RSI plus delta signal. Next, the smart entry, and finally, the risk management layer. If any layer shows red, there is no trade. Think of the robot as a sniper, taking calculated steps. It identifies the target, checks the wind with VWAP trend, measures distance with RSI and delta, adjusts aim using pullback, confirms the trigger with momentum, and then fires. If any condition fails, the robot waits, which is crucial for quality trading. Layer 1 is the time filter, checking if it's currently trading time. The robot checks the hour on every tick against your configured start hour and end hour. A trade is only allowed if the current time is in the defined range. For gold, the recommended active hours are 8 to 22. This 24-hour timeline visualizes the time filter. The green zone is active trading, and the red zone is sleep time. The robot also supports midnight wraparound logic if your end hour is less than your start hour. Layer 2 is the session filter. Gold's real volume is concentrated during the London and New York sessions. London brings institutional volume, and New York has the biggest moves and maximum volatility. The robot only trades during these active high-volume sessions. This timeline visualizes the London and New York sessions. The overlap zone, from 1300 to 1700 Greenwich Mean Time, is the period of maximum volatility and the best window for gold trading. Ensure the use session filter is set to true for optimal results. Layer 3 is the VWAP, or Volume Weighted Average Price, representing the market's true average price. VWAP shows where the majority of money was deployed, often watched by institutional players. The robot calculates a custom VWAP internally, using a pure institutional formula that resets daily. The VWAP rule determines trend direction and prevents trading against the trend. If the price is above the VWAP line, it's a bullish zone, and only buy signals are considered. If the price is below the VWAP line, it's a bearish zone, and only sell signals are considered. This filter eliminates most false signals. Layer 4A is the RSI, a fast-reacting momentum indicator, acting as the market's thermometer. We use a 7-period RSI because gold moves rapidly. A reading between 65 and 100 is overbought, potentially a sell signal. Between 0 and 35 is oversold, potentially a buy signal. The neutral zone, 35 to 65, gives no signal. There are 2 methods for RSI buy conditions: fresh oversold, where RSI is currently below 35, or a recovery signal, where RSI was previously below 35 and is now recovering. Both conditions require a VWAP bullish trend and delta positive to generate a valid buy signal. For sell conditions, the 2 methods are fresh overbought, RSI currently above 65, or a falling signal, RSI was above 65 and is now falling. Both conditions require a VWAP bearish trend and delta negative to generate a sell signal. The falling signal provides a safer entry. Layer 4B is volume delta, indicating whether buyers or sellers are dominant inside the candle. Delta is calculated as the difference between the candle's close and open, multiplied by volume. A positive delta means buyers are strong and a buy is possible. A negative delta means sellers are strong and a sell is possible. This visual shows the volume delta calculation on bullish and bearish candles. In a bullish candle, close is greater than open, resulting in a positive delta, indicating strong buyers. In a bearish candle, close is less than open, resulting in a negative delta, indicating strong sellers. A complete BIY signal requires 3 conditions. VWAP must be bullish, RSI must be oversold or recovering, and volume delta must be positive. All 3 must be true for the BIY signal to be generated. This ensures a high-quality, confirmed entry. Similarly, a sell signal also requires three conditions. VWAP must be bearish, RSI must be overbought or falling, and volume delta must be negative. All three must be true for the sell signal to be generated, confirming a strong selling opportunity. The average true range, or ATR, is the robot's dynamic ruler, measuring gold's typical movement over 14 candles. It calculates the maximum of 3 ranges to determine true range. ATR is crucial for dynamic stop loss, take profit, trailing settings, and entry buffers. If ATR increases, volatility is rising. Layer 5 is the smart entry pullback system. Instead of instantly entering on a signal, the robot waits for a better entry price through a slight drop or pullback. The pullback target is dynamically calculated using ATR. For example, a buy signal at 2,350 waits for a target of 2,340, offering a better entry. The momentum filter is the final confirmation before entry, checking if the price is moving back in the intended direction after a pullback. For a BIY, it checks if the current candle is bullish OR if RSI is turning up and price has risen 5 points from the low. This prevents catching falling knives. Stop loss and take profit levels are dynamic and based on ATR. For a buy trade, stop loss is 2x ATR below entry, and take profit is 3x ATR above entry. This ensures a consistent 1 to 1.5 risk-to-reward ratio, meaning you remain profitable even with a 50% win rate. The Asempa trailing stop is a safeguard that locks in profit as the trade moves favorably. The stop loss only moves forward, never backward. Trailing starts after a profit of 0.8x ATR and moves in steps of 0.5x ATR. This system guarantees profit even if the price reverses. Here is a step-by-step example of the trailing stop in action. Once profit crosses the 0.8 ATR threshold, the stop loss jumps forward, locking in profit. In this example, without trailing, it would be a loss, but with trailing, the trade closes in profit. The martingale strategy involves doubling the lot size after a loss to recover losses with the next win. However, unlimited martingale is dangerous. This robot uses a capped martingale, limited to a maximum of 3 levels, ensuring the account remains safe with a forced reset after the limit. The martingale flow works by doubling the lot size on a loss and instantly resetting to the base lot on a win. Crucially, it forces a reset after 3 consecutive losses, preventing the extreme risk associated with unlimited martingale levels. The robot provides 4 types of real-time telegram alerts: new signal, trailing started, trailing update, and trade closed. These notifications keep you updated on every significant event, providing trade details, profit status, and next steps. The live dashboard provides real-time status updates directly on your chart. You can see the current status, martingale level, session information, and pending target prices at a glance for immediate insight into the robot's activities. The on-tick flow outlines the robot's constant cycle. Every new tick, it checks the time and session filter, manages closed trades and martingale, adjusts open trades with trailing stops, scans for new signals, waits for a pullback, and then opens the trade. This cycle repeats tirelessly, without emotion. We offer 3 recommended settings profiles: conservative, moderate, and aggressive. Choose the profile that matches your account size and experience. Remember this rule: always test on a demo account for 2 weeks first, regardless of your chosen setting. You have 2 options to get this robot. Option 1, get free lifetime access by opening a trading account via our IB link. This includes all future updates and full support. Option 2, purchase the full source code, ideal for developers who want to modify and resell the product. This source code is for developers only, especially if you understand MQL5 coding. You are free to read, understand, modify the logic, add your own indicators, and even build and sell your own product. However, you cannot distribute the original code for free or resell it directly without modification. Alternatively, you can get the lifetime free EA by opening an account with RoboForex or IC Markets through our IB link. This offers lifetime access on unlimited accounts, including all future updates and full Telegram support. Simply watch the video, get the IB link, open your account, and receive the EA free. Please read this important disclaimer carefully. This expert advisor and its source code are strictly for educational and learning purposes. It is not recommended for beginner traders, and we advise against running this EA on real money accounts. Trading carries high risk, and past performance does not guarantee future results.